Hey guys, Murray mower. Don't know if you can see the transaxle on the back there, but I've welded the wheels on. Belt's quite tight. I don't want it too tight because I don't want it to snap. So engine's there, as you can see in the bottom there. I got the winch up the top to tip it up and over. I got the pulley for this. I want it to be quite small. It's a 3-speed transmission. I want the pulley, it's all up in line with this pulley. I gotta take this pulley off to mount the engine. I've just put one bolt in to line it all up and stuff for the back. So I've got a pulley for that. Not a pulley, pulley for that. And I got a belt coming. So today I'm gonna tip this sucker over. I gotta mount the wheels. I've got to take this pulley off, and I gotta mount the engine. So I might mount the wheels when it's tipped over. May as well. And that's a wheel. I got 2 wheels here. They're both the same size, but this is a different tyre to this one. So I'm gonna put this one on today because this is the nicest one, and that might be the best one to add on. And if I have another one as well. So I'm using my phone today, the camera. So this is gonna be quite hard. I think you can see me alright there. Hiya. I don't know how well you can see me. Yeah, a little tap on that now and a circlip. You give me 2 minutes. And that spins free now. I just need to put a circlip on there. Good. I would use this tyre for the other side, but there's bearings in that one. There's no bearings for that one. Because that's off a back axle. I don't know which kind of mower, but and there's different locks here. I don't know if you've seen these in the transmissions, but it's a square hole. So I got one wheel on now. I gotta wait for the other one because it's outside. They're just quad bike tyres, that is. You're most probably asking in the comments below why my back tyres are different. I don't know. It's the only one I had. Well, I got another one, but it's on another quad bike as well. I got a starter motor down there. It's off its engine, but it's gone bust, and it keeps making this weird noise like that. So yeah, I gotta take all this string off up here and get that off. So yeah, I got a belt on the floor there. I thought that would be the right size, but it's too big, so I got to order. I have to order one. I've had a problem with my electric the last couple of days. This winch hasn't been working properly. I don't know why. It's been on a garage. It's been up on the wall up there. The door's shut, so I've lost light. So I'm just going to open it for you. I have a mower outside there. Still there. I haven't used it. So, right, I think it's time to tip it. Nowhere for this camera to go. Well, you guys, I see where you are. Right. Hang on, guys. Try and tip this mower over. I'll just put it in the same original place. I don't know how well you can see me, but yeah. Should put a circlip on there. I'm going to leave that off anyway. Just tip it over now. Back wheels won't fall off, I know. It's got some circlips, I got to buy some circlips and washers. I was on sale today, but I forgot to buy some. So, and silly me. Yeah? No! If I can... We'll see if this winch works. I don't know, it might go electric. No clue. So, I've got an extension lead here. If I plug this in. No clue what's going on there. No electric. Said the power's been down lately. Oh. Old transmission, eh? It had the engine in it now is British Stator 5 horse, I think it is. Because me being me, don't like a big engine. Right, he's on his back wheels. You can see my steering works. I'll just grab a camera.